Hi there, my name is Emily Cordes and I'm coming to you live from Rowmark home office here in Findlay, Ohio. What I want to talk to you today about is our ADA compliant materials. We have a large variety of materials for you to choose from, and I think a lot of times we think of ADA alternative as our only option. But really, I want to show you today all the options available to you. As you can kind of see as our prop here, we have this beautiful palette of colors to choose from. And I want to talk to you about the different lines of products that you can use for your ADA signage, and all of these will work nicely for you. So we're going to start with our ADA alternative product. As you can see, it's a large palette of colors with or without adhesive. That is a perfect range for you. But you can come over here to reverse Lasermark. This is a reverse engravable product but has that nice matte finish that can be used for ADA compliant signage. We also just launched our reverse metallic Lasermark product, and this comes in 5 different colors and finishes and will work great for your projects. We have our ultra matte reverse engravable also. Again, a very strong palette of colors for you to choose from with that matte finish that's perfect for ADA signage. We have our color cast acrylics, which are available in 1/8 inch and 1/4 inch gauges. So if you have a project that requires a thick gauge, this is a very strong product for you to choose from. And lastly, we have our color hues product line. This is a nice, good palette of colors also. The nice thing about this product line is it's matte on one side and gloss on the other, so you get a lot of versatility with this product. If you are interested in learning more about ADA signage, we're happy to send you our introduction to ADA sign making, as well as our ADA alternative jump chain. You just have to click on the link in the post and fill out some information, and we're happy to send that to you. Again, thank you for watching and learning more about all these ADA products we have to offer. Please like this post, like our page, share, send, tell everybody you know, and we hope you have a remarkable day. Thank you.